Hey guys, welcome to the 8th episode of our series Linux Basics for Hackers. In today's episode, we are going to see how you can find any particular file or directory in Linux machine. Okay, so let us begin this video without any further delay. First of all, open your terminal and thereafter let me increase its size so that it should be visible to you. Okay, the first command that we are going to see is locate command. Okay, so the basic syntax of locate command is that you have to type locate, they have to give a space, and you have to type any particular word which you want to search. Okay, in our crack, we are going for aircrack.ng. It is a binary file. And now if I press enter, what locate command does now, it will search in any particular database for aircrack.ng, and all the responses it find, it will display over here. Okay, so you can see here we have overwhelming response, but still you can say wherever aircrack.ng is mentioned, it is written over here. So there is one disadvantage of locate command, that suppose locate command operates on some particular database which is updated once in a day. Okay, so if I'll create, for example, let me create a file right now. Let me create one file in our download folder. Okay, in download, let me keep the name of the file new file, and let me press enter. Now I've created one file. Let us check it out. You can see we have one new file, which is the name of the file is new file. Okay, let us navigate back to our home, and if we are trying to search locate new file, it won't be able to search. Okay, so this is one disadvantage. Although the new file right now it is displaying, it isn't from our downloads. So if I try to check it after 1 day or 2 day, it will be able to display, because the database in which locate command tries to search this particular file, it gets updated once in a day. That's why it is unable to operate. So this is disadvantage, and I guess you should know that the main command that we are going to use a lot of time and is one of the most important command is find command. Now how find command operates? So you have to write find, and thereafter you have to provide a directory under which you want to operate a search. For example, if you don't remember that in which directory it is, simply you can give root directory. But if you remember, suppose you think that okay, this file can be in a home directory, or in home your particular home directory, which is codex in my case, and in that also you think that it may be under downloads, and suppose downloads has a lot of files, so that it is very hard for you to find now. So in that case, if I write there, and thereafter you have to provide a space. Okay, after providing a space, you have to give a option option name, and they have to provide name of the file. In our case, the file which we created was new file, so we will write that. Again, you have to provide a space. You can type. In type option, we have to provide that whether we want to search file or directory. For directory, we can type D. For directory, we can type D. For file, we can type file. Since we have created file, we will type F, and thereafter, if we press enter, you can see it has found this. We can even find aircrack.ng with this. So I'll just go with ultimate root directory. Under this, I'll type F. I'll just go with aircrack.ng, and let me do. I know it is under user bin directory, since it is a binary file. So I'll write complete, and that's it. If I operate, you can see we found aircrack.ng file. So find command is really useful. You can just check it out. It's manual page. So if you write man find command and press enter, you can see this is a manual page of find command. It is very helpful. So guys, I'll request you to just play with the find command. Try creating new files in either downloads directly or wherever you want, and try to find it using find command. There are many switch. You can use that too. For example, we used name. Suppose since Linux is case sensitive, for example, aircrack.ng with all small caps, whereas aircrack.ng with capital A, aircrack.ng with capital A and capital C, these all three names are different. So if in any case you think that okay, you are forgetting that whether the first letter was capital or small, you can simply type I. In that case, it will ignore that whether the text is capital or small. So you can use switch I name. Since I know that all the letter is small, so I just wrote name. So there are a lot of switch which are quite helpful. So you can go with that. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in next video, guys. Happy hacking. Bye bye.